Here's how I do my art. I sketch on a different app called Huion Sketch. I make a quick line work over the sketch, hide the sketch, and clean up the line work. I add lines to be like fur or clothing texture. I had lines and dots once in a while. Not sure how to explain. I won't add lines to everything or draw line art for the details or patterns. I prefer to hand-pick the colors with all my fan art drawing instead selecting from their official art colors. BTW, I think I prefer the new Hisuian Zoro compared to the old one. It's adorable! I colored the lines a darker color since I think black is too harsh. It's tricky with dark colors. I don't use black for shading, makes drawing very dull. I use two different colors for shade and set on multiply. Opacity set between 1 to 40. Background is very tricky for me. I usually don't have a lot of effort into them. Good thing details make a drawing go a long way. Background is usually trial and error till I give up or I like it. There you go. That's how I draw. Check out my art on my Instagram.